Happy day after Thanksgiving.
Is that a name?
Welcome to Hostel Me, Hostel You.
No, can we change the name?
No, Michelle, we try every time.
Bienvenidos
Because our
a
producer
Barcelona.
said it's not a good idea. Welcome to Barcelona.
Ahora estamos en el
Jesus.
hostel
What the hell
in
did she just say?
Barcelona. And we're about to go get some food from the market and get some
Very
coffee.
exciting.
We have new members of the cast.
This is Tasha. Introduce yourself, Sarah.
I'm Tasha. I am a new member of the cast.
Hostel for me.
Hostel for you.
And we have another one, but she just ran away.
Show them.
Oh, this is our other new member, Katie.
So this is our room. As you can see, we are the only people in it, which is great if you're in a hostel. More
Are
creative.
those lockers?
Why, yes, Mariah, they are
Shut
lockers.
the front door.
I will not, but I'll shut this locker door. Oh my god. Anywho.
It looks smaller than the Galway hostel, but I think it's slightly nicer because there's actually a
Galway
ladder.
hostel,
was
so.
cute. It was really small.
No, I meant like, cause like
Room-wise?
I'm gonna be able to smack your ass tonight while you're sleeping.
Oh, baby.
Cause like, look, it's like the size of my hand in between the two beds.
Okay, well, that's called perspective. But anyway. Anywho.
So we're about to go on our first adventure in Barcelona.
Yes, and it's already a lovely
And this
city.
is where we are here right now.
Wow, look at
Right
that.
there. Right there.
Oh, you can see the red record light.
we're gonna-
Classy.
That way you know it's recording.
Expand.
So we will pick this back up in the market, perhaps, or wherever we end up.
Okay.
Wherever the wind takes us.
On
Hostel me, hostel
on
you.
si hosta, on mi hosta e su hosta.
That's so good. Oh my god.
I should win Emmy.